Is it time to buy or sell Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th day of October in the year 2024, our system has categorized the Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.3. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of negative 0.47% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.09% since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned in the upper section of a weak upward trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a retreat towards the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $204.92 would indicate a stronger rate of ascent. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, it suggests a potential shift of approximately 5.51% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 2.36% to positive 7.02%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 28.42% over the coming year, with a potential return between 19.67% and 39.97%. This would translate to a price range of $241.75 to $282.77 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund highlights a significant change. Weaker technical forecast for Invesco Nasdaq 100 as ETF downgraded to hold accumulate. The price of the Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF decreased by 1.33% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, dropping from $204.75 to $202.02. During that day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 2%, ranging from a low of $201.12 to a high of $205.14. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen on 6 occasions and has increased by 2% over the last 2 weeks. On the last trading day, volume rose by 800,000 shares, despite the decline in price. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 2 million shares changed hands, amounting to about $365,320,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $207.24, while the lowest was $140.84. Currently, the price stands at 2.52% or $5.22 below the 52-week high of $207.24, which is also the all-time high for this ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF, QQQM, highlight significant trends in the technology sector. Analysts are now focusing on the other sector within QQQM, which could drive potential upside, particularly as more than half of QQQM's weight is already in technology. The improvement in the Nasdaq 100 index, which has seen an increase of 2.51% in the past month, can be attributed to lower interest rates, fostering growth for technology stocks. Moreover, with growing demand for artificial intelligence technologies, particularly in semiconductor stocks like Nvidia, there's a positive outlook for QQQM. This underlines the critical role that AI development and its foundational data play in transforming various industries. While some caution remains following a significant sell-off in AI stocks during July, the overall sentiment suggests that there's still ample opportunity for growth within the tech landscape. Investors should pay attention to QQQM in this evolving market, as its exposure to AI momentum and pivotal tech innovations could enhance its performance both in the short and long term. With solid growth drivers at play, QQQM could be poised for a favorable trajectory as market conditions continue to stabilize. The following signals have been identified for Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund. The Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the Exchange Traded Fund, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Should there be further gains, the Exchange Traded Fund will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $202.19. Conversely, if the Exchange Traded Fund falls, it will find some support from the long-term average at around $196.74. A breakthrough of the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, October 14, 2024, and thus far it has declined by 1.33%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. The volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the Exchange Traded Fund should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 226 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF. The Invesco Nasdaq 100 finds support from accumulated volume at $195.63. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, this ETF exhibits controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $4.02 between its high and low, representing a movement of 2%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.14%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund is at $202.77. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund faces its first support level at $195.63. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $195.14, representing a decline of 3.41%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk profile. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF a good buy? Invesco Nasdaq 100 shows several negative signals, indicating it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it should be considered a hold candidate, meaning you might either hold on to your shares or accumulate more, while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of October, we expect Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF to open up 74 cents and start trading at $202.76. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.